Functions using words and equations. So words and equations can be used to describe functions. For example, when a rate is expressed in words, it can be written as an equation with variables. When you write an equation, determine what variables to use to represent different quantities. Example. A runner's distance in a marathon is equal to 8 miles per hour times the number of hours. And so we can represent that as an equation. I can say that the total distance, d, the total distance or outcome, is dependent on how many hours the runner runs. And so I know that I can go 8 miles in t hours. We can also use tables and graphs to represent functions. So for example, if I had time and distance, this would be my input, and this would be my output. So in hours, this would be 0, 1, 2, and for miles, the distance would be 0, 8, and 16. And so I could plot those ordered pairs. 0, 0 is the origin. I move over 1 and go up 8. And so if I go by 4s, that way I can fit everything on the graph here. 2 to 16, 4, 8, 12, 16. And then I can connect those dots and visualize the function or the relationship of the ordered pairs, the pattern that exists. And so we know that this is the number of hours. 1, 2, 3, and this is the distance. We always like to label our axes.